In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Nest file you've created to get the dimensions to be able to copy them across to a parts list which you would have created in a drawing. We're going to look at the next properties. Now, this is quite nice to look at because under here, if you scroll across, you'll see the names of them all here. Now, these names are hopefully, so base, side 1, side 2, top, shelf, and all the way down to inserts at the bottom. If they are the same as what you had here on your part here, you can see they're in the same order at the moment for what you've got. So we're going to come back over to our nest, click on these nest properties like we had before, and we're going to scroll across until we have the length and the width, and we're going to kind of highlight by holding down the shift button those and control copy. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to click OK on that and come back to my drawing, double click on here, just bring that across. Let's just get that, double click on there. They're in the wrong, it's got length and thickness then width, so I'm just going to change that to being width, move that one up. There we go. All right, apply, okay, and now that's in the right way. So now I can double click on that again, and I'm just going to highlight this top one, and I'm just going to control paste, and that's put all the dimensions in there for me. And then we can apply that, click OK, and then we can go back to nesting. We can click on our nest properties again, and we can find somewhere in here is the thickness. These ones don't matter, they're 3D print files, so they're kind of like a volume thickness, so we'll delete them again in a minute. Right click, copy that, come back over to our drawing, just wait for that to kind of, let's just click OK, come over to our drawing, double click on here, select the top thickness one, and just paste them in here, and then maybe just delete this, and you can probably get the volume off of you can have a look at how you want to kind of put the dimensions of your 3D printed parts, volume or length, widthness. I don't know. Okay, so click OK, and there we go. We've now got ourselves a nice cutting list with lengths and widths and thicknesses on there.